to the 10th standard mathematics class. So last class we have seen the LCM and GCD of polynomials. Now we are entering into the exercise 3.2. The first question what they have given is find the GCD of the polynomials. In the first division they have given two polynomials, that is x power 4 plus 3x cube minus x minus 3 and x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3. So we have seen examples, right? I hope you can remember that. So now we are going to take one polynomial as f of x and another polynomial as g of x. Let us take this polynomial as f of x and this polynomial as g of x. What we have to do? We have to do the long division, right? So we are taking this polynomial as f of x, so this should become inside x power 4 plus 3x cube minus x minus 3. We have to divide with this g of x, that is x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3. What we have to do? We have to consider the first term alone. See here x cube, here x power 4. So what we have to do? We have to multiply with this some number to get this term, right? So on multiplying x cube with x, we get x power 4, right? So x should come inside. We should multiply this whole polynomial with x. So what becomes, what's the answer that here comes is x power 4 plus x square into x is x cube minus, see here it is plus and here it is minus, minus 5 into x square and then plus 3x. Then we have to change the signs, right? Plus and minus. So this term gets cancelled. So x cube term, here 3x cube, this becomes minus x cube. The answer is 2x cube. Here we don't have x square term, so here it is plus 0x square. Here becomes 5 plus 5x square, therefore plus 5x square. Then the x term, here minus x, here minus 3x. Adding that what becomes, or it comes minus 4x and then minus 3. Okay. Now consider this here x cube, here 2x cube. Say the degree of this is not greater than this number of this polynomial. Okay. So now we can do this. We can continue this long division. What we are going to do? We are going to consider these two terms. Here on multiplying this term with 2, we can get the first term. Therefore plus 2. So we have to multiply this whole polynomial with plus 2. What the answer is? 2x cube. 2 into x square is plus 2x square. 2 into minus 5x is minus 10x. 2 into plus 3 is plus 6. Okay. We have to change the symbol minus. Here it becomes plus and here it is minus. So this term gets cancelled. Here it is 5x square. Here it becomes minus. Minus 2x square is 3x square. And then minus 4x. Here it is plus 10x. Therefore plus 6x. Here minus 3 and it is minus 6, therefore minus 9. See this term, the degree of this equation, this polynomial is lesser than this one. So we can't continue this long division. So what we are going to do? We are going to take this as f of x and this as g of x. So we are going to continue the long division this method. We have to take this here, that is 3x square plus 6x minus 9, and this should go inside, that is x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3. We have to do this. See here it is 3x square and here one more thing. See this last term here. Here in this all we have 3 as common, right? So therefore we can take 3 common, x square plus 2x minus 3. We can consider this term itself. So what's the term that should come here is x square plus 2x and then minus 3. Okay. Now we have to same like this. We have to take the first number itself. See here it is x cube, here it is x square. On multiplying this term with x, we get this number. Therefore x is the first term. On multiplying x square into x is x cube plus 2x into x is 2x square minus 3 into x is minus 3x. Okay. What you have to do? We have to change this symbol, right? So this term gets cancelled. x square minus 2x square is minus x square, minus 5x plus 3x is minus 2x, and this term comes down, that is plus 3. Okay, see this term, here it is x square, here it is minus x square. So to get this term, what we have to do? We have to multiply this term with minus 1. So what's the answer? X square into minus 1 is minus x square. 2x into minus 1 is minus 2x. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. We have to change the symbols of all these numbers. Then we get all the terms cancelled. So the remainder will be 0. Successfully we got the remainder as 0. Therefore, GCD of these two polynomials, that is f of x comma g of x, given f of x and given g of x is equal to, this is the GCD. Okay, x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, now let us move on to the second sum. This is also the same as the first sum. What they are given in the second sum? Find the GCD of the polynomials x square minus 4 and x cube minus 11x square plus x minus 11. Okay, so here this is the higher degree polynomial, therefore we can take this as f of x and this is g of x. Shall we start the long division? So for this, confuse agama irukkiradhukaga, see here there are no x cube term, x square term, x term. For that we are adding it as x power 4 plus 0 x cube. For avoiding the confusion, we are taking like this, plus 0 x square plus 0 into x and then minus 1. Okay, we have to divide this by this, that is x cube minus 11x square plus x minus 11. So as usual, what we are going to do is, we are going to consider the first term. See, here it is x cube and here it is x power 4. So to get this, we are going to multiply this term with x, right? So on multiplying this, x cube into x is x power 4 minus 11x square into x is minus 11x cube plus x into x is plus x square minus 11 into x is minus 11x. So again, we are changing the symbols. After changing, what becomes, this term gets cancelled. Here plus 11x cube is the answer. On adding this both, we get minus x square. On adding this both, we get plus 11x, and then this term gets down, that is minus 1. So consider these first two terms. Here it is 11x cube and here it is x cube. So on multiplying this term with 11, what we get? 11x cube. 11 into minus 11x square is minus 121x square. 11 into x is plus 11x, and then minus 11 into plus 11 is minus 121. Okay, again we change the symbol. Here minus, here plus, here it becomes minus and here it becomes plus. So this term gets cancelled. Okay, plus 21x square minus x square becomes 120x square, and here see plus 11x, here it is minus 11x, this term also get cancelled. Here minus 1 plus 121 is equal to plus 120. Okay guys, see the first term, here it is x cube and here it is x cube. Shall we continue the division? No, we can't continue the division. Therefore, from this we can take the 120 outside, right? X square plus 1. Okay. So next what we are going to do, we are going to divide this term, that is x cube minus 11x square plus x minus 11 with this term. What's the thing given here? X square plus 1. Okay, see, consider the first term, here it is x cube and here it is x square, therefore we can multiply it by x, therefore x cube plus x. Change the symbol, here it is minus, we get this term cancelled. Here it is minus 11 square, we don't have x square term here, therefore minus 11 square. This term and this term gets cancelled and then minus 11. So okay, here it is x square and the first term of this is minus 11x square. So on multiplying this term with minus 11, what we get? Minus 11x square minus 11. So we have to change this symbol. This term gets cancelled. So the remainder becomes 0. Now What's the GCD of these two polynomials? On dividing this term with this term only, we got the remainder 0. Therefore, this is the GCD. Therefore, GCD of the given polynomials f of x comma g of x is equal to x square plus 1. This is the answer. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to move on to the third sum. What's the third subdivision? Third subdivision is find the GCD of the polynomials 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 12x square minus 24x and 4x cube plus 14x cube plus 8x square minus 8x. So this sum will be the assignment for you. Assignment. I'll give you some hints. Okay. See, from this term there is a common coefficient, right? 3. From this we can take 3 outside. Therefore, x power 4 plus 2x cube minus 4x square and then minus 8x. This equation becomes, this polynomial becomes like this. And this, from this we can take 2 outside, right? When we take 2 outside, 2 into x cube plus 7x, sorry, 2 into x power 4, this term is x power 4, 2 into x power 4 plus 7x cube plus 4x square minus 4x. So, we are going to consider this equations alone. So, we will get this solution. This will be assignment for you guys. And let us move on to the fourth subdivision. What's the question given there? Find the GCD of the polynomials 3x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 3 and the other polynomial is 6x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 2. See, in these two polynomials also we have some numbers, some coefficients is common. So from this we are going to take 3 outside, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay. From this we are going to take, what can we take? This is 12. 6 outside. Okay. So x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 2. See, the coefficient we have to taken 3 and 6. We have to find the GCD of 3, 6. What's the GCD of 3, 6? The answer is 3. We have to join this to the solution that we are getting by finding the GCD of these two polynomials. Okay, we can go into the long division. So, what we are going to do is, we are going to take this as f of x and this is g of x. So, f of x term is x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 2. And here it should be x cube plus x square plus 6 plus 1. Okay, consider the first term. Here it is x cube and here it is also x cube. Therefore, 1. On multiplying this whole polynomial with 1, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So, we are going to change the sign. Okay, this term gets cancelled. 2x square minus x square will be x square. X and minus 6 gets cancelled. 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So, see here, it is x cube. Well, the first term is x cube and here it is x square. Therefore, we are going to change the long division. This term should get inside x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 and we have to divide this term with this term, x square plus 1. Consider the first term around, here it is x cube and here it is x. Therefore, multiply with x. What we get? X cube. X square into x is x cube plus 1 into x is x. On changing the symbols, this term get cancelled. Here it is x square and here it is x. This term and this term gets cancelled. Here it is x square, right? Therefore, x square plus 1. Okay. See the first term, here is also x square, here is also x square. Therefore, we are multiplying this with 1. What we get? X square plus 1. On changing the sign, we get this term gets cancelled. Therefore, the remainder will be 0. So, the GCD of the given polynomials f of x comma g of x is this term, x square plus 1. But we have forgot something, right? we took GCD of these coefficients 3 and 6, that is 3. Therefore, we have to add that 2, that is 3 into x square plus 1 is the GCD of the given polynomials. Okay. Now, let us move on to the second question. So, second question what they have given, we saw LCM also in the last video. So, they have given the find the LCM of the given polynomials. This will be very easy when comparing to GCD, right? In the first subdivision what they have given, 4 x square into y, 8 x cube y square. First we consider the coefficients along, that is 4, 8. 4, 8, how will you find the LCM? 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, again 2, 1 and then 2, again 2, 1, 1. On multiplying this, 8. Therefore, first LCM of coefficient is 8, and then we consider x terms alone. Here it is x square and here it is x cube. What will be the LCM of x variable? X cube. And here let us consider the y term. Here it is y and here it is y square. What will be the LCM of this? Y square. Therefore, LCM is 8x cube into y square. This is the answer. So, now let us move on to the second subdivision. Minus 9 a cube b square and 12 a square b square c. So, what we are going to do? We are going to take the LCM of first the coefficients, that is 9, 12. See 3. 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. Again 3. Here it becomes 1 and here it is, so 2, 1, 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3 is 36. Right? The LCM of the coefficient is 36, but there should become the sign minus should come, because here it is minus and we don't have minus here. Therefore, minus should come here, and then we are going to the next variable. Here it is a cube and here it is x square. What's the LCM of these two terms? It is a cube. So again we are going to the b term. Here it is b square, here it is also b square. What's the LCM? B square. We don't have c term in the first polynomial, and we have c term in this second. Therefore, it becomes c. Therefore, the answer is minus 36 a cube b square. So, this is the LCM of these two given variables. Okay. Now, this third subdivision. See, the third subdivision is also likely the same as second subdivision. Or they are given in the third subdivision 16m, and then the next term is 12 m square n square, and next term is 8 n square. This will be homework for you. Assignment, this two subdivisions. Third and fourth subdivision is t square minus 3p plus 2, and then t square minus 4. See, we have seen the example like this sums. So, these two will be assignment for you. Hope you can do it easily. That's why I am giving this assignment for you. It will be very easy. The third subdivision is as like the same as the second subdivision, and the fourth subdivision we have done this type of example in the previous class. Let us move on to the fifth subdivision. What they have given is 2x square minus 5x minus 3, and then 4x square minus 36. Okay, consider this equation, 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Okay, see, we have factorized this, right? See, here it is minus 3 and here it is 2. On multiplying this we get minus 6. So, we have to, while adding this two term, we have to get minus 5. Therefore, 3 2. Okay, therefore 3 2s are 6. Okay, see, here it is minus 5, but on if we get this term, we get minus 5, but we get plus 6. Therefore, this will not be the factorization. Therefore, 6 into 1. See, now it will be minus 6 and minus 1. When we are adding this both, we get minus 5. See, the first term's coefficient is 2. Therefore, we have to write 1. This will be 3. Therefore, this can be written as x minus 3 and 2x minus 1. Okay. The next term, 4x square minus 36. Okay. we can take the 4 outside. Then this will be x square minus 9. 9 can be written as x square minus 3 square. This is of the form a square minus b square. Therefore, 4 can be taken as it is a plus bx plus 3 into a minus b x minus 2. Now, we have to consider these two terms. Okay, on considering these two terms, LCM will be equal to, there is no coefficient here, therefore 4 will be as it is. Say x plus 3 is there, we don't have, therefore x plus 3 comes as it is. Here x minus 3, we have x minus 3 here, therefore 1x minus 3 and this term 2x minus 1. Okay, this will be answer, this will be LCM of these two polynomials. Now, let us move on to the last subdivision, that is sixth subdivision. What they are given there? 2x square minus 3xy the whole square, and then the next two terms they have given 4x minus 6y the whole cube, and the next term 8x cube minus 27y cube. Okay, now let us consider the first polynomial, that is 2x square minus 3xy the whole square. Okay, see, in these two terms what we have common? We have x is common, therefore we can take x outside. Then the remaining terms will be 2x minus 3y. The square term should come for this x also. Okay, and then we move on to the next thing, that is 4x minus 6y the whole cube is equal to, it is whole cube, right, is equal to. Now we have, what's the term we have in common? We have 2 as common. So let us take 2 outside. The remainder will be 2x minus, here it is 3y. Therefore, the cube term should come as whole. Okay, and then the third thing is 8x cube minus 27y cube. This can be written as 2x cube minus 3y cube. This is of the form a cube minus b cube. So we know the answer, we know the formula, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This can be written as 2x minus a minus b, 2x minus 3y into a square becomes 4x square plus b square becomes 9 into y square plus ab becomes 2x. 2 into 3 is 6xy. Okay, we have to consider this term, this term, this term and this term. Okay, see here we can take the, therefore LCM equal to, we can take the coefficients first. Here it is x cube, therefore x cube comes as it is, sorry, x square comes as it is, and here it is 2 cube, 2 cubes come as it is. Okay, see here it is 2x minus 3y the whole cube, 2x minus 3y the whole square. Here we have 2x minus 3y alone. Therefore, the term should come here is 3y the whole cube, and the remaining term is this alone, that is 4x square plus 9y square plus 6xy. Okay. Therefore, the LCM of the given 3 polynomials is x square into 2x 2 cube into 2x minus 3y the whole cube and into 4x square plus 9y square plus 6xy. Okay, now we have completed the exercise 3.2 and I have given 3 sums as assignment. Hope you have understood well. Thank you. Let us meet in the next class.